Hey guys, today I'm coming to you live from NGONG Town. The building is seen behind me, that is the legendary NGONG Market. We're talking about a big market which is accommodating over 1,500 traders. A market which was built between 2019 and 2021 by the Nairobi Metropolitan together with World Bank through the World Bank Group funding. And of course, right behind me, you can see that is NGONG Towers, one of the key landmarks in this NGONG town because I'm standing right at the center of it. NGONG Towers that side, and behind me the legendary NGONG Market, which is a 4-story building housing over 1,500 traders, and of course a lot of business is booming inside there. Talk about groceries, talk about people selling clothes and so forth. And of course, just adjacent to me here is also the bus stage in NGONG, where people can get matatus or means of transport wherever place they want to go to, whether it is Nairobi town, Ongata Rongai, Kiserian, neighboring towns and so forth. And so with that, let's walk around the NGONG town for you to be able to see the town. Hey bro, vipi bana?
Poa sana.
Salimia watu, niaje bana?
Mkoaje watu wangu?
Wako poa sana bana. Uko poa?
Kabisa babangu.
Safi kabisa. Sasa mimi nakava NGONG town hivi, jamaa wanaona NGONG inaendeleaje? Mambo yanaendelea vipi?
Hii ni soko.
Kabisa kabisa. NGONG Towers kule. Hapo unachapa works hapa?
Sisi tunafanya kazi
hapo sawa kabisa. Unachapa job wapi?
Hapa kwa NPRS. Tunafanya kazi ya mat.
Kazi ya mat? Kunaendaje saa hizi bana?
Kazi imekuwa mbaya.
Kazi kumeendaje bana?
Ngoja
hata nitoe mark bill hapa.
Kutoka mambo ya hiyo ya bill kuje hiyo finance bill.
Hiyo finance bill 2 weeks ago.
Ni kubaya bro. Kulingana tena bei ya mafuta tulikuwa tumezoea kubaya 174. Sasa ni 195. 195. Alafu customers ukiwaambia bei ya mat they are still wana complain bado hawataki ku adjust. Unaona?
Kama mtu kana town 200 anashtuka.
Anashtuka bana. Naona kama ni kumuibia tunamuibia, lakini ni situation venye. Lakini tunashukuru Mungu. Mambo itajipanga tu.
Hopefully itajipa kwa sababu mambo ni tight. Mambo ni tight. Unajua kwanza one thing kama hiyo finance bill. Unajua kuna vitu nyingi zilipitishwa, hata vitu kama hata saizi kama realize ndio data na meza mbio kwa simu. Because already kuna excise duty iliyoko hapo.
Kuna hii watu wanavutwa makazi, machines nini. Bana. Tunashukuru sana. Asante sana kwa kutembelea.
Thank you bana. Mimi natembea hivi na cover NGONG town. At least watu waone NGONG town kwaje, mambo yanaendelea vipi. Alafu bus bana
Uko na wakati mwema.
Thank you.
Yetai. Mimi ndio kushpanta.
Unaweza kushpanta?
Kushpanta.
Fresh kushpanta.
Nafanya busy ya marketing. Yes, niko fiti.
Unafanya marketing?
Marketing.
Which kind of marketing?
Nafanya tu kama branding, kiona brand. Napiga na reflector juu na deal na matatu hapa. If you have any brand ama nini naanza, unaweza niletea tu hapo napigilia. Na unanipea flyers, kuna bado nini accounts za IG na nini. Hiyo ni business tutatalk more, ukini email hapo bado kwa kushpanta. Utanidropia tu kazi yako hapo WhatsApp.
Unaitwa kushpanta ama kushpanta?
Kushpanta entertainment. All over.
So you normally do things, if I'm getting you right, anything relating to printing and design. Unafanya hizo shughuli.
But I'm not the one who is
on a team.
Niko na team already. So hiyo ndio part ya the ways tunajikeep up kama youths hapa.
Best in NGONG town.
Best in NGONG town ndio tunajikeep up NGONG kama youths. Na tukiendelea tuna process hivi kujikeep tu busy
kabisa. Kushpanta unasema kushpanta. Asante sana. Nashukuru. Let me walk around shop for NGONG town and then we'll keep in touch.
Welcome NGONG.
Thank you bro. Yeah, so guys, I'm walking across the NGONG stage, heading to the other side to be able to show you the different kind of businesses. As you can see, I'm still at the Matatu terminus. Different kind of transport means here, left, right, center, but I'm going to the other side of town for you to be able to see what is happening to the other side, right? So come with me through. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the other side also we have some business premises there. Like there's some driving schools there, okay? This other side we also have the business plaza there, people doing their business and so forth. So you can see the matatus are here. All of these are going to town, different stages. Look behind me, you can see different stages and so forth. So I'm just climbing here to go through the other side so that you can be able to see businesses along the main highway, okay? Yes guys, so I'm on the main highway. And of course, as you can see, NGONG town is just like a typical town in Kenya, whereby we have people going about their business in different ways. You can see different kind of businesses here. Of course, this side, transport business is booming greatly. This other side, we have shops, we have malls and so forth. And then at the very extreme end there, I'm going to show you some banks, I'm going to show you some malls and so forth. So come with me, and then we're going to have an awesome discussion as I'm going through. Huh? Yeah, big up people, man.
I big up my fucking crew in the stage.
In the stage? Which stage is this?
This 111.
111.
1.111.
1.11, one of the biggest around, right? 111. Bros, see you shortly.
Yeah. I big up.
Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I've had some awesome friends there who have just been conversing with me, telling me about the NGONG stage and also what happens there, right? And as I've been telling you guys, you can see just like a typical town. Lots of businesses going on, and also lots of different kind of business. Like for example, on my right side here, you can see the water boozers. These are actually critical when it comes to safe water and also clean water in the town. You know, they do transportation of water from different places, bringing here, and then residents can purchase the water through these boozers, whether it is large scale or even small clients. Talk about, for example, schools, hotels, and so forth. All those are looking at also how to get clean water. So these boozers are very essential in supporting with that, okay? And then you can see right in front there is a Kikao Lounge, which is also a place where people go to chill, for example, see how they can spend their time after having busy days, okay? Okay, guys, so yes, guys, so you can just see NGONG Town is awesome. I'm here with a cool brother. Bro, what's your name?
True, my name is Bernard Gando.
Bernard Gando?
Yeah, man. Na ile kazi I do ni kazi ya kuchora. Mimi am an artist.
You're an artist, right?
Yeah, man, true.
In NGONG Town, huh?
Yeah, in town. Na niko nyuma ya Naivas.
Nyuma ya Naivas?
Yeah, this territory.
Busy kwaje?
Biz bado iko chini.
Busy iko chini, bro.
Bana, watu nilikuwa natengenezea wa kutoka Kitengera, watu wa kutoka Murang'a, watu wa kutoka faa.
Ningori, bro.
Raundi ingine hata wakuji bana.
Sasa
unajua nini?
Watu vipi bana?
Unajua nini? Wafanye aje? Waangalie
bro, unasema busy yako iko wapi?
Mimi niko nyuma ya hii Naivas.
Nyuma ya Naivas. Si ni kama mfanye interview busy yako vizuri, unajua busy yako.
True, na ni ukuje hapo hivyo.
Fanya hivi bro.
Tu hapa.
Na nitakuwa nimerudi hapa in 5 minutes. I do for you the interview. Sawa?
True,
safi bro.
Hapa.
Yeah, so guys, I'm coming back to this dedicated interview so that also I promote youths mtaani. You know, there are businesses na vitu ziko safi. See you shortly guys. Let's continue covering the town. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, NGONG Town is a very awesome town. We have very many businesses buzzing. There is commercial banks there, other businesses going on. Also, you can see the main road here, of course, the vehicles passing left, right, center. Everything is busy in the town. Actually, it is quite a small town, but with a very good buzzing business ecosystem. Just see for yourself, there is tall buildings there, and left, right, center, everywhere you can see businesses, okay? Even this other extreme end, you can see businesses are doing well, okay? Look at the bank. There's, for example, Cooperative Bank there. There is other businesses there. You can see, for example, a driving school. You can see a law firm. So businesses are doing well here, guys. Let me cross the road so that I can continue showing you. And by the way, guys, as I'm walking around, one thing you've noticed that also the youth in this area are saying life is quite becoming unbearable, okay? Despite all these awesome businesses you can see behind me, lots of action going on, you know, even the banks going on about their business. As you can see, for example, behind me, you can see this Absa Bank, one of the main banks here in Kiserian, here in NGONG Town, at the junction of going towards town center and the stage. Business is doing well, but the youths are saying that they're having a hard time because there isn't no money. Even though you can see very well, business is booming left, right, center. Like for example, you can see, I'm talking about business left, right, center. You can see guys here, there's chemists. We have many things happening, okay? Behind me here, for example, you can see there is banks there, NCBA Bank. We're talking about, for example, here you can see guys, there's Absa Bank and so forth. So that tells you that this is like any other town out there where business is booming and there is a lot of activity. But almost everyone here is saying there isn't money circulating in this ecosystem, which by the way is a sentiment. Like for example, when I was covering for Kiserian yesterday, they are also saying there isn't money circulating in the ecosystem, which is a challenge too. Look guys, now this is at this junction here. Quite an interesting dynamic because this is the main junction here at NGONG Town. And then coming from the main stage, on the right side is the road going towards Suswam. And then on this left side here is the road going towards Kiserian, right? Look this other side, guys. Huh? So guys, that's the main town in NGONG Town, just a small locale where a lot of things are happening, but also you've heard for yourself, there is a challenge with regards to money flow in this ecosystem. We hope things are going to be better by the government investing for the youth to have things to do, for the youth to have opportunities. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to subscribe and also like this video, guys.